Hey everyone and welcome to our channel. In this video, we will review AMP Futures. AMP Futures is a popular trading platform known for offering low-cost futures trading. It's designed for active traders who want fast performance, good tools, and affordable pricing. One of the best things about AMP Futures is its low commission rates. This makes it a good choice for people who trade often and want to keep costs low. The platform also supports many different trading software options like MetaTrader 5, Sierra Chart, and more, giving users flexibility to pick what works best for them. AMP Futures also gives access to global futures markets, so you can trade on exchanges in the US and around the world. The account setup is simple and customer support is usually quick and helpful. However, it may not be the best option for beginners. The platform is more suited for experienced traders who already understand futures trading. It doesn't have as many educational tools or beginner-friendly features. AMP Futures is a great platform if you're an active or professional trader looking for low fees and strong trading tools. But if you're just starting out, you might find a bit advanced. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.